What's good, BFM? This is Big Tone coming at you from Big Tone Productions, Beats and Feasts, and you know what time it is. It's time for another cooking video. And today, we're going to be doing something on my new, well, I'm not going to say it's new, but we're going to do something on my flat top grill, which I'm going to explain in a little bit. But we're going to do a good old-fashioned Philly cheesesteak, the good old-fashioned way. We're going to do it on the flat top. So guys, if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you never miss a video. Make sure you share it. And hey, let's get started with some Philly cheesesteaks. So for the supporting cast, we're going to keep this simple. It's going to be very simple. I'm not going to add the mushrooms and stuff like that. But I am going to put in here the star of the show, of course. And I'm using top sirloin. I would have got the ribeye, but I honestly didn't like the prices at the store. $14 for one ribeye. This was $14 for 3 family size packs. So I got this. I put it in the freezer about 45 minutes to slicing, and then I sliced it real thin, which putting it in the freezer firms it up, makes it a little easier. So that's the star of the show. I got 1 green pepper sliced up, julienne, and then I got about an onion here. I got, of course, my pink Himalayan sea salt, good old black pepper, some provolone cheese, can't do it without that, and then another important ingredient is the roll. I got a nice French roll here. So that's all the ingredients. Real simple, guys. So we're gonna start putting this together over here on the flat top griddle. This is my I'm not gonna say it's new. I've had it for about 4 months now. Maybe not that long, maybe 3 months, but it's my flat top griddle from Steelmadeusa. So I'm going to put the link in the description, as well as I'll post it here on the screen if you guys want one. And if you use the link that I put on the screen and in the description, it'll get you 10% off of the product. So go over there and purchase one, guys. I am an affiliate. It does help me a little bit, but I love this thing. It rarely, I'm not going to say that. I use this probably 3 to 4 times a week. Like this morning, I cooked sausage and eggs on it. But easy clean, paper towel, scrub it a little bit, you're done. But that's the Steelmade grill, made in USA, guys. Go over to their website, steelmadeusa.com, and use my affiliate link, and they'll get you 10% off, guys. But we're gonna start putting this Philly cheesesteak together. First thing I'm gonna throw on the grill is my onion and my green pepper. So we're going to go ahead and caramelize these and get them nice and sauteed down here. And I'll start my meat here in just a little bit. Throw that on one side. So that's the great thing about this grill. So you got 4 eyes on your stove, and you can turn 2 down low if you want to. You can have 2 up high, 1 up high, any combination. And then the middle can be your toasting zone, or it can also be, just to keep the food warm. I love this thing, guys. Alright, so as you can see, my vegetables are caramelizing nicely here. My onions are nicely caramelizing, and so is my green peppers here. So I'm going to throw my meat on here. Try to get this spread out evenly and flat. And like I said, it's an easy way to cut this thin. Put it in the freezer for about 40 minutes before you're ready to cut. It makes it a lot easier to cut thin slices. Alright, so let me get to seasoning this meat just a little bit. Go in with some salt here. And a little bit of pepper. And look at that, browning up nicely, guys. Browning up nicely. Like I said, if you guys want one of these grills, Steelmadeusa, I put the link in the description and also on the screen. You can go there and use my affiliate link, get you 10% off. It's a heck of an investment, guys. I use it all the time. Turn the heat up just a little bit on both of those. There we go. Cooking it up, cooking it up. Oh yeah, look at them green peppers. Woo, now they're getting where I want them at. So I'm going to throw my bread on here, get it toasted up nice, and I'm going to incorporate my onions and green peppers with the steak. Ah yeah, look at that, baby, look at that. Make you feel like you're back in Philly. So as you can see, my onions and peppers and everything are nicely involved there. So I'm going to throw on my provolone cheese here. 2 slices on each one. There we go. Little trick if you guys want it on your flat tops. Hint there, go purchase one. On your flat tops you want the cheese to melt a little faster. Throwing some water beside of it. It'll steam it up. Melt that cheese a little faster. We're going to take these off here. Got one of them here. We're just going to throw it right in the bun right there. Oh, look at that. Woo! Look at that Philly cheese. It's hot, guys. It's hot. All right, guys, there you have it. Philly cheesesteak on the Steelmadeusa USA grill top. If you guys want one, go check out the link below. But you know what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for that bite. Philly cheesesteak, just like in good old Philadelphia. Hey guys, you need to go get you one of these Steelmadeusa USA grill tops. Turns your oven into a flat top or your stove top into a flat top in just a matter of minutes. And hey guys, this is an awesome sandwich. But you know I'm waiting for that bite. Here we go. I'm going in. Oh man, that meat is so tender. Perfection on a plate, guys. I don't know what else to say. But if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you never miss a video. And make sure you share it, guys. That's important. And hey guys, this is Big Tone signing off. Peace.